Welcome to our vlogging series on the history of electronics. In this first episode, we will dive into the fascinating origins of this field that revolutionized our world. Let's get started. Electronics as we know it today traces its roots back in the 19th century. The discovery and understanding of electricity played a crucial role in the development of this field. In the 18th century, scientists like Benjamin Franklin and Alexander Volta conducted pioneering experiments with electricity, leading to the invention of the battery. This breakthrough made it possible to generate and store electric power. In the early 19th century, telegraph systems were developed, allowing messages to be transmitted over long distances using electrical signals. This marked the beginning of a long-distance communication. Fast forward to the late 19th century, and we see the emergence of vacuum tubes. Invented by Thomas Edison and later improved by Lee de Forest, these devices control the flow of electrons and enabled the amplification of electrical signals. The invention of the vacuum tubes paved the way for the development of radios in the early 20th century. With the ability to receive and amplify radio waves, radio became a significant milestone in the history of electronics, bringing news, entertainment, and information to the household around the world. How do you think the discovery and the invention mentioned in this episode have shaped the modern world and influenced our daily lives? Share your thoughts on the impacts of the early electrical experiments, telegraph system, vacuum tubes, and radios in the comments below. And that wraps up our first episode on the history of electronics. We have just scratched the surface of this vast subject, but in the next video we'll explore the birth of semiconductor industry and the impacts of modern electronics. Stay tuned.